The idea of making passive income is such to make anybody get excited. It is the concept of literally doing nothing and having money roll in steadily. With passive income, you get to sit in your home and make tons of cash. Okay, maybe not tons of cash, but then cash from anywhere in the world. In this video, I, Sir Maximilian IV, will take you through several legal ways to make passive income without necessarily having a huge lump sum investment in capital or running a multi-level marketing scheme. But again, I should mention that it doesn't bring tons of cash, but can serve as a motivation to keep you on the path of running other passive income activities to get you more income. I, Sir Maximilian IV, is so sure that after this session, you'll have your account scaling up on cash. But all I need you to do now is to hit the like button and give me a thumbs up from your Ferrari when you eventually get one from your stack of passive income. Below are a couple of things you can do with $500, and all the options I'll be posting are things I have tried personally. I'll make a general categorization of these activities into two broad categories, and then give several options under these two broad classifications. One of these classifications has to do with investing your money, while the other is run by the investment of your time. I'll start out with ideas that involve the investment of your money, since the topic of this video centers on making passive income from investing money. For every dollar invested, you make returns. This is equivalent to your money working hard to replicate itself while you practically do nothing. Yeah, your money works for you. The first form of investment under this categorization is the index fund. Index fund covers a wide range of stocks and markets. In this investment option, every stock you buy yields a certain percentage as ROI. For instance, VT Sachs Vanguard sells at $75.85 per share, with some promised amount of returns. You can invest with any of the top 500 publicly traded companies in the US. One is Schwab, sold at $76.69. Fidelity Index Funds, and then VOO at $295.13. Your earnings on index funds come in the form of either dividend or increment in the price of stocks. On the average, stock prices go up by 5% to 7%, although sometimes you make more or even lose. But historically, in the long run, gains would always cancel losses, and there is always a trending upwards of these prices. So with upscaled stock prices, you have the option of selling your stock when the prices are up. And as with dividends, dividends pay as much as 1.3% to 1.84%. This might, however, not seem like a lot of a yield for a $500 investment in a year, but considering that stock price is going up by 5 to 7%, brings overall returns to $30 to $40 per year without any particular work from you. There is an index fund for just about every type of business out there. Just type in your preferred industry for an index fund program on Google, and you'll find several options. Personally, I try VT Sachs and Schwab, and you could too. But for international funds, you can try SwissX. It pays a 3.6% dividend. Yeah, the ROI is not a life-saving lot, but trust me when I say that eventually it pays off. The scheme is addictive, so once you get your first extra cash, you begin to think up ways of maximizing the scheme and earning more. And you then gradually graduate from a $500 investment to more. Imagine you invest $500 a month in VT Sachs over a period of 35 years. It will run into $1.2 million investment, bringing you about $22,000 per annum. The income and the original fund itself will go up in value to an average of about $60,000 a year. So the idea is to begin small and grow into something substantial over time. The second idea is to buy dividend stocks. It offers a bit more interest compared to index funds, but with more risk. Here you invest in a particular company that usually would do well, but as a result of an issue is not pulling up as expected. For instance, a lot of companies have been hit by the ongoing pandemic, and as such can be said to be operating below capacity. Identify such companies and buy dividend stocks at less cost, and trust that once the company is back on track, your index appreciates. For instance, now, XOM is sold at $43.55 and pays 8% as dividends. Simon Property Group offers at $64.14 for 8.11% dividend. But the issue with this is the fact that the risk is a lot higher. The more money you can potentially make, the more you stand to lose. For instance, some companies might not get back on their feet as speculated. Presently, some companies have reduced their dividend stocks, while some have suspended the scheme because they cannot afford it anymore. For instance, Ford suspended dividend stocks and Wells Fargo cut their dividend by 80%. Talking of freebies, Agric Startup is offering 2 free stocks worth $14,000 for every $100 invested. Invest in real estate. This is another way in which your money can work for you, although not in the popular sense of investing in real estate. This works as REIT, Real Estate Investment Trust. In this scheme, instead of buying stocks with a company, you pool your money together with others, and then investors buy buildings within a certain category. For example, medical buildings, shopping centers, residential buildings, and what have you. A portion of the rental profit is shared across investors who pooled funds. So that way, even with your $500, you get to earn a percentage of a real estate portfolio and escape the part of real estate dealings where you deal with tenants, fix toilet issues, or manage anything. Buy into it and the company does the rest. E.g. Realty Income Corporate have 6,500 different properties and pay out 4.7% to investors, while National Health investors give 4.5% as dividend. Another way to make passive income is the index fund version of REIT. VNQ pays 4.5% dividend. Here you cannot leverage your money like in real estate, and you cannot enjoy tax advantages and benefits, but you could make $20 to $40 a year. My fourth and last idea for money investments that make passive income is the pay down debt scheme. It offers high interest rate debt. For instance, you have a credit card balance of 15% interest rate. Once you buy off the 15% credit card balance, you have made an extra 15% on your money without downside risk or time involved. For me, it is the best, most stressless option so far. The more interest rate you have, the more money you will have for investment in other things. Now we shall consider the second side of the narrative. I'll expatiate on investment ideas that require you to invest your time. Sign-up bonuses. Yes, although this is not totally passive, it doesn't require any arduous work. No risk involved, and interest rolls in faster. At some point in time, I was into the sign-up bonus scheme, and now, sometimes when I find the time to do it, I still take up some. Bank and credit cards give bonuses when you open a new account with them or meet a particular requirement. You get to earn $50 to $200 within 20 to 30 minutes registration. For sign-up bonuses on credit cards, here are a lot of such opportunities. 1. Chase Freedom Unlimited Credit Card gives $200 bonus for spending $500 on the card within a period of 90 days. All you have to do is use the money on things that you will ordinarily buy, like groceries, insurance, gas. That is the only way to feel like you didn't waste money and are yet making extra on your income. 2. Another credit card sign-up bonus offer is from Bank of America. They offer $200 cash reward when $1,000 is spent in 3 months. Consider how much more you get to buy with an extra $200. Another upside to it is that you can earn more bonus when you pay your credit card in full as and when due. 3. For bank sign-up bonuses, Chase Bank is an option. Chase Bank offers between $200 to $250 for every new account opened with them. In the account, you must have a minimum balance of $500 and have it run on a long-term plan to be able to enjoy the benefits of the scheme. You should check out Best Bank Sign-Up Bonuses 2020 or Best Credit Card Sign-Up Bonuses 2020 on Google to find other available options. YouTube channel. Yeah, I know. It definitely is cliché right now. But if for you, talking to yourself in an empty room is a habit you enjoy, then you should try the YouTube option of making passive income. It is no doubt that it requires serious work and dedication, as it can be time-consuming and doesn't pay off in the immediate start-out. But over time, it pays off bountifully. This is provided that you churn out quality content. When I started using my iPhone and didn't have all the subscribers that I needed, but I made a few dollars daily. With these few dollars, I got a camera and lighting equipment, and then it increased my chance of making much more. Later on, I got a studio, and it made me more money. Now, in less than 4 years of churning out content, I've grown from earning a few dollars to making an average of $10,000 daily from YouTube and ad revenue. YouTube algorithm rewards time that is put to producing great content, and the good is that at this point in my YouTube career, if I decide to slow down on producing content, the several contents I have produced will continue giving passive income. Another way too is that once you build your audience, you can begin producing products that will not require inputs from you for it to run. For instance, I created the YouTube Creator Academy. It teaches people how to grow visibility on YouTube. I invested $99 a month on Teachable membership, $50 on board, and spent months creating a learning outline and how to build YouTube algorithm. And I mention it in my other videos every time, to create publicity for people who are interested. Now, I do not need to put in any extra effort into the Academy to earn passive income from it. I make sure it ranks top on search results pages so as to ensure increased visits and likes. You could also create training in niches that you have expertise. $500 is more than enough for filming a session of your training. You could also run on affiliate marketing to push visibility for your channel. Pay commission to people who bring in sales for you, and you are on your way to optimizing visibility and hence passive income. Make reviews of products that you like and use. Make educating, insightful, and mildly funny videos. Optimize the visibility of these videos, and you continue to make money on these videos so long as the video enjoys more views and increases the sales of the reviewed product through your link. A friend of mine makes $50 from writing ebooks that sell on Amazon. Another of my friend outsources web development jobs to freelancers and earns his passive income. There are 1,001 other opportunities for making over $100 passive income monthly. Now, this video is not about laying up so much money in the form of passive income and guaranteeing you the purchase of a Lamborghini monthly. It's about the quote, slow and steady. Making $30 a year from index funds is still progress in the right direction. Thank you for watching this video, and always remember to subscribe and hit the hot bell, and feel free to share the video with people who you think might need it. Add I, Sir Maximilian IV, up on Instagram, and do not forget to use the link below to earn 2 free stocks worth $1,400.